Now the empirical formula of the compound can be obtained by using the mass percentages that we have calculated in the last topic. As we have seen in the last topic that the mass percentages can be calculated if the mass of the individual element or the atomic mass is known, or sometimes we may be given directly the mass percentage of the elements. Suppose there is a compound which is having the elements say carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, whose mass percentages are given to us as suppose from 41.2, 7.8 and the remaining 100 minus of 41.2 plus 7.8. Now these are the mass percentages of each element in a given compound. Now when this data is provided, you can find out the empirical formula. For that, you have to find out the relative number of atoms. Now relative number of atom can be obtained by dividing the mass percentage with the atomic mass of the given element. So here the atomic mass is 12, here it is 1 in case of hydrogen, and oxygen is the residual value upon the atomic mass of oxygen. Now after finding out the relative number of atom, we have to find out the simplest ratio. I mean, you have to take the lowest value among the first three and you have to divide the equations or the values with the lowest value. So here when you do that, whatever is turning out to be lowest, you have to divide with that. For example, you can see here that this value may be turning out to be less, then in that case, or else if this is less, we will be dividing this whole value with that. Whichever value is lesser, that value has to divide the remaining values, and based on the simplest ratios, based on the values that are obtained, we can obtain the empirical formula of the given compound.